This home is located on 17 acres of mountain secluded privacy, yet minutes from Highway 280 or 119 shopping. This home is zoned for Oak Mountain Schools, a 2-mile drive to Briarwood High School. The property has 2 gated driveway entrances and sits 1,000 feet back in the woods from the street. This home has over 8,500 square feet and is a 2-story brick traditional home with a finished basement. This home has 6 to 9 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, a 5-car garage, exercise room, playrooms, workshop, safe room, and many more rooms. This home has the Generac generator with an automatic switchover for the entire house. This home has a huge laundry room with a private deck, a laundry chute, built-in office, plus lots more. This property has beautiful sunset views overlooking Oak Mountain State Park. Wildlife abounds. There are hiking and ATV trails, nature stands, deer feeding sites, rock climbing, and more. There are 2 irrigation systems, an invisible pet system, up to 10-acre range. This property can be seen by appointment only. Contact Tim Page at area code 205-517-3607.